G'day, Joe Romeo here. I'm just doing a quick video showing how I'm using a couple of pedals to make a pad sound behind my acoustic guitar for worship leading, which you might want to do. So yeah, this is the guitar just clean through my acoustatonic amp, and of course you'd have that going through the system at church. And I've got 4 pedals that I'm using in parallel, or 2 consecutive circuits. I'm using an A/B switcher to go from my clean sound to the circuit that has the Ditto and the Hall of Fame, and then the blender that brings them back together. So that's through the amp, that's through the other circuit, which is turned down. You can see it's turned up there. Now turn it back down. That's like a little mixer. That last pedal is by Saturn. It's a blender. It's passive, doesn't need power, and it's quite inexpensive. So thank you, Saturn for that. And I've been thinking about this circuit for quite a long time. So I better stop talking and show you what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do a simple loop. It's pretty simple. You don't have to make it even or a bar's length, just whatever you want to do, as long as it's consistent. Then I turn the reverb on with a long tail. I downloaded a very long reverb from the TC Electronics site, which has quite a lot of to choose from, and I picked one with a very long delay, or a very long tail, and I took out the attack. So it sort of sounds like a pad now. So now that I've got that set up, I go back to my clean channel and I can play over the top of it. Now that's a pretty single note pad. Let's add some other layers to it. What about a B to the E? And what about an F sharp? So it's just adding layers on the looper, and it just all blends together. It gives quite a nice effect. A little bit loud, but turn the reverb off, so you can hear. That's all I've done on the looper, and that's with the reverb. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.